Imagine if you can take a bidet with you anywhere on the go. Ah! Fortunately, I have the VITCOCO portable bidet with me. I don't know about you guys, but ever since the pandemic, I've been using the bidet. In fact, I have 4 restrooms, 4 bathrooms, 4 toilets, and they all have bidet. One even has a warm water option. So there's nothing like the true feeling of having that fresh, clean sensation, and you definitely cut down on using toilet paper. So enough of that. Let's go ahead and see what this VITCOCO portable bidet is all about. I'm super excited because sometimes when you go and travel, you need a portable bidet that you can use anywhere on the go. So straight out the box, you have instructions manual. I suggest reading it for the details on how to use it and care for it. So here we have a very nice nylon carry bag. They can put everything in here. You have the charge cable, USB-C or USB-A, and this is an adapter where instead of using the built-in bottle, you can use like water bottles and different water containers to attach to the unit. So let's open this up. So everything is inserted in here. You just unscrew this to loosen it, and then here is the portable bidet unit in itself. All right, now this is the unit where it actually sprays the water. So this has a built-in pump and a sprayer. So you can see this is rotatable to 180 degrees. All right, and here is the water bottle that you will fill it. First you will put this in here and lock it in place, and then you will fill it with water, and then you will attach this on here, and then that's where you spray it. So it's very easy to use, and even it shows the schematic on the box. So let's put it to good use. And of course, before we do that, make sure this is fully charged, because if you go on a trip, you want to make sure that's fully charged. All right. Now I actually don't have any water bottle because I don't drink watered bottle. So just imagine this is a bottle of water, and here's how you use the adapter. This should be a pretty standard size, and then you just screw it on, and then you would just attach the bidet unit to right here, and that's how you would use it. Let's go ahead and fill the 200 milliliter, 6.8 ounce capacity reservoir or bottle with water. And by the way, that is the VITCOCO portable water flosser with built-in camera. It's truly amazing because you can see what you are flossing. You can detect cavities, tartar, plaque, and even tonsil stones. This is a truly amazing device. All right, so let's go ahead and fill. I like to use warm water. I mean, why not? Who wants to use cold water, right? Another day. Go ahead and fill this up. So once I have the filled water, screw on the bidet attachment, and we're ready to use. I have a special guest to help me demonstrate using this portable bidet, and it is Harrison Ford, otherwise known as the Red Hulk. If you haven't seen the Captain America Bold New World, you need to watch that trailer. All right, so here's how you use it. Invert upside down, put the spray nozzle head, all right, and then this is the on-off button, and one press. Let's say you want to, after you're done doing number 1, okay, so this is the low pressure. One more press, this is the high pressure, and one more press would be to stop it. All right, it's as simple as that. All right, now let's say if you do number 2. Oh, he's gonna fall in the toilet, so I'm gonna do it like this. How about that? All right, so once again, let's say put this in an angle, and then number 1, and it's going to be require long spraying because number 2, you want to make sure it's so fresh and so clean, right? Once you are done, simply have to stop and then use a little bit of toilet paper to wipe it nice and clean, and you're gonna be so fresh and so clean throughout the day. Wow, this is truly a revolutionary portable device that you can take with you anywhere, especially on travels and vacation, touring third world countries, especially where they don't have toilet paper for the public to use. At least you know you have your own portable bidet that you can spray yourself clean after doing either number 1 or number 2. So this makes an awesome gift. I think everybody needs this in their travel suitcase, and I know that even Red Hook approves. Stay fresh and clean with the VITCOCO portable rechargeable bidet.